Hey, this is Billy Brown at Tim Dahle Nissan. You know, you had a few questions on the Nv3500, and the reason why we're doing a video is one thing, that way you can see the Nv3500, you would have more confidence in buying the Nv3500. So, you know, your first question was, is the gear, changing the gears, and no, you can't change the gears, and the reasons why are it could affect the ECM itself. It also could mess up the speed odometer itself, and we don't have a reducer for that. We suggest not to change the gears on it. And we have not been authorized from Nissan to do that. The next question that you had is your tires. On your tires and also on your left. I talked to Tyler, and Tyler feels that you should go to the 33-inch tire and that you ought to do just a level kit. Then that way you'll save on gas mileage. The one that he suggested is a Terra Grappler. The Terra Grappler has a tight tread, but it is off-road tread, but it's a tight tread. It looks really sharp, does the best for gas mileage. So that's what we'd like to have you go. Now, you're really concerned about the racks, and as you see, I took a couple pictures of them. This rack that we had built, one of the things that we wanted to make sure that didn't happen is the vibration. We went through 2 or 3 different models to find which one that we liked the best and built our own. So these racks that you see up here right now are ones that we've had built and we're installing. And no, we have no problem with whistling, vibration, or anything like that. You can even put the ladder on the side or on the back. Most people like them on the back. There's no vibration from doing the rack and no whistling. This car, what I would have to say, is the #1 passenger van there is. It not only has the 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty, but this also comes with a Tim Dahle Forever warranty. 10 years from now, if you have a problem with this van, we're there to help you. You wanted to know how long it takes to build one of these vans. Actually, we have 3 people that work on these vans. Marvin, which is the head technician that works on them, then he has 2 employees under him. So we could actually build one of these vans within 10 days. Even deliver it to you in the next 10 days. So as far as building it and getting it done for you, we could do it actually pretty quickly. What we're suggesting is you purchase one as quickly as you can. The reason why is they got special financing, they have rebates, they have more off right now than they have ever had before. Even on the 2020, which I suggest that you get. We can get your van done pretty quickly. Financing is very easy. This is the absolute best time to buy. So after you watch this video, I want to make sure that you give me a call and I'll make it worth your time, because I think the time for you to buy that van is now.